How to install N8N locally with Docker. Go to the Docker website and sign up for an account if you do not have one. You can use Google GitHub or an email address to sign up. After that, if you're using Windows, select Docker Desktop for Windows. For Windows, choose the 64-bit installer. Once downloaded, open the installer and follow the setup process. Restart your computer when prompted. After restarting, accept the subscription service agreement and complete the setup. On the left side, you will see the navigation menu, including containers, images, volumes, builds, Docker Scout, and extensions. Create a folder to store all N8N related data. Name it something like N8N data. Open Docker Desktop and navigate to the Images section. Click on Search. Type this. Then click on Pull. Click here on Run. A Windows security pop-up may appear. Scroll down and click on this link. Fill in your details and proceed. That's it. Thanks for watching.